despite some epic fails. Fetters just kicked on. This bad boy is an 8,000 BTU. It is nice and quiet. Really? Bug on the phone? See that pin over in there? If you can tell what it is, I would like to know. I almost want to say maybe General Electric, not sure. This one does have a drain hole mod. When the drain holes get stick something in there and clean it out. Ugh. Oh, now we got to deal with this. Come on. Friggin' trees. Wow. So, a lot of shit in this one. Nonetheless, so this fetters is like I said, an 8,000. Nice sounding AJ. This one doesn't shake the whole earth too bad like some of them do. And so again, shout out to Van Berg, the Philco 6 from 1965 that he's going to be getting. That's really got a shake the whole earth AJ. I can't believe all the crap I got inside of this. Fetters here. That's insane. It's like tree stuff. Hell, it's probably in there. I did clean it, but well, it was clean when I got it. Shit happens, right? Can't believe how much stuff is in here. And it just is full. Cycle off. Well, like I said, this one is from 1969. May have to take my shop vac out and suck this one out. It's like tree bark or something. Nonetheless, this one's another good unit. And again, until next time.